Now, you ready?
I am here with Deep Dough, and almost done with
guys.
this vehicle. I got the car. I didn't see your face. There you go. They want to see your beautiful face. Oh,
Yeah.
it's challenging not getting people's license plates in there, you know. This is nice, babe.
Yeah, so I'm doing the edges and trims with the dressing, and then I'm gonna wax it. I already clayed it, washed it already, so I'm just getting. The reason I do this first is because it gets, you know, the dressing will get on the paint, you know. So
Got it.
if you do it before the wax, then you're gonna smudge the paint. So I just do it first. See how, you know, I still gotta wax all that. So but this. I'm working on it again.
It has a real good scent to it. I like the way it smells.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I know this is repetitive, but you've been working on this one for about how long?
Almost about 3 hours.
About 3 hours.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is real here. When I was asking you before, I had their license plate all up in it, and I was like, "Ooh, can't do that." Didn't realize it. This is what I like watching you do. I like watching you do this part. So I know everybody, this really got a lot of views before because this is like what separates you from other detailers. So I like watching you do all this because this is high tech. This is what you don't get in a car wash.
Yeah, because it's all detailing.
Exactly. I'm about to go to the car wash.
I'm actually just rejuvenating the rubber. It's been a while since this car has even been. I don't know. This is the first time I've done it, so I don't know how long. I don't know the history of detail with this car, but it seems pretty dry. So
Get
I'm
over
going.
there and get that rubber. Get a good picture of it.
Let me get my ladder.
Jeez. Wow. My God. That looks like it just came off the showroom. That's why Deep Dough is rolling in the deep dough. We need to roll in the deep dough to live over here for this sunshine. It's about 77 degrees here today, but trust me, we pay for it. We pay for it. Yeah, this will be better. We'll get that little grill. See if Josiah can slice that, because that's showing too much license plate in there. We got a product we're going to be reviewing for you guys, so please stay tuned. Deep Dough is going to be doing a ceramic that the company sent us to review, and it's not going to be a paid video. It's not paid, but they sent us a product that we're going to review, and we're going to give it, or Deep Dough is going to give it his honest opinion. So that should be coming up real soon as we can get that car scheduled, get it locked in. And we'll show you what that looks like. Right now he's just finishing up, and I'm just enjoying the sunshine here. For all of you guys that are, you know, in ice, snow, please stay safe. Born and raised in the snow, and I know how it is. It's actually been cold here as well. Today's a good day.
Yeah, it's been raining. What? It had rain. It was last week, right?
Last week, and it was cold at our
days.
house. Yes,
We're not used to that kind of stuff.
No, it gets out to, and it gets to the high 30s where we live at night. So
yeah, we're not used to all that stuff right there. That rain. I mean, it comes and it just like comes for a minute, a couple of days or so. But this time it went 4 days straight. Wow, we were hating it, weren't we, babe?
We were hating it. You can see here it hasn't been waxed yet. Look at him. Look at that. He's so detailed. I tell you though, we do pay for this sunlight here. Just letting you guys see a little bit of what we're doing here. And you haven't seen us in a while because it's been raining. It's been raining, and
yeah, you know,
I like that what you're doing right there.
I got pretty blessed though during the rain because the customers that I had bookings, and the customers, they didn't cancel, they just rescheduled. You know, so I didn't lose them. That was real cool. So like when it stopped raining, I was busy. I got busy the next day.
Yes.
So it was pretty good. Pretty good rain. In that sense, you know.
kind of angling it here, so
And then the thing about San Diego, where we're at, is that people want to always look good when they're out in public. So
hint, hint, they sure do, deep down.
Yeah, they want to make sure their stuff is looking good when they go out. So that's why I'm getting success, because people want to keep their cars like
they do. And then, you know, they last longer. Nobody wants to go out in a mess pile or can't even see the back windows, putting a defrost on, and you think it's cold and it's actually dirt.
Yeah. Take a look at this one right here and that one right there. We're so busy we haven't a chance to do our own. So
we're gonna get ours done today.
That's how it is. The mechanic's car is the worst running car. The detailer's car is the dirtiest car. Yeah.
That's about to change though.
But you know what? I see guys, even some of my friends, because I have friends that are detailers, and they got the cleanest cars. I go, aren't you guys working? Your car's clean. That shows me that if they're working enough, their car's clean. That's just a joke. What else?
Deep Doe's wife isn't laughing at all, because Deep Doe's wife likes a nice vehicle.
I hear you, and I'm getting her message. I am, but I'm gonna do my best. I might run it through a car wash. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I'm taking it later. Did you guys hear that? He's running it through. Actually, I take my own car to the car wash. So some of you guys who hit him up, I take my own car to the car wash. I'm planning to take it this evening.
God.
I'm planning to take it to the
tired sometimes, you know, I'm doing all the work.
He says he's tired. He's doing all the work.
At least I pay for it, huh?
He says he pays for it. Yeah, he's gonna give me money to go to the car wash later. I actually need the money because the money you gave me before I had to get my eye makeup. This is real life here. So I'm kind of angling it here because we have our neighbors over there. We're not trying to... Okay, we don't want your backside. Let me come over here. If you see me doing a lot of maneuvering, it's because we have neighbors. They have cars with license plates. We don't want to put that on blast. We're not... We have to be very careful. And that smells good too. Jeez. That's why I want that in my car. That smells good. I mean, if you're a person that likes your car smelling good, you know, hit us up. He'll tell you what he uses. There's no secret. So did you do the interior or is it just an exterior?
I did do the interior.
You did do this, wasn't a complete. So he did this at home. This is at our house. Everyone sees our house. Our house is, I mean, it's on pittmanandsons.com, so it's not really a secret where we live. But he did a complete here. I was inside working. I didn't get to get it all. Let me see what you're doing right here. Let me see if I can get what you're doing.
Well, I'm just getting the edges, you know. I still haven't wiped the door jambs yet, but that's one of the things. That's the surface that I have to do. And then also, yeah, gotta. There's a lot of things that I'm doing that she's catching with the camera that I do, but I ain't done yet. So.
Deep Doe is back. It's nice weather now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Don't that look nice? Wow.
Jeez. Smells good too.
Look at that. Well, it works better than it smells, but it does smell good.
I'm salivating. I'm like my dog Rusty, that rest in peace. She's in heaven.
Okay.
I'm not gonna get that back right there because I don't want to get that LP license plate. Just want to see what you're doing down here.
So I mean, it's wise to go, you know, counterclockwise or the opposite way. You're hitting every inch. This is just a process of detailing, you know.
So you go counterclockwise.
Yeah. Well, that's what I do. You know, I think the average person would do that because that's just the way it works. You know. That's the way. If you're left-handed, you probably might go the other way, you know. Nice.
That's interesting. Wow.
Yeah, but this is the way. This is what I do so that I won't miss nothing.
Hey, Deep Doe, I thought you didn't want to talk.
I know.
You're fine. I'm just playing with you. People get to know your personality, and you know. Let me come on over there and kind of catch what you're doing without getting that plate in there. We don't want to get the plate.
Always step back and look. See what you did. It looks better from a distance, and then you can see if you miss anything. This guy's trim is really thirsty. You know.
Let me go down here and get the trim, but below the plate. Here we
Trim is
go.
real
See
thirsty.
that down there. Oh.
Yeah, so it looks like new.
Hey, Deep Dough, do you want an orange slushie?
Sure, I do.
My ice didn't make enough ice yet, so I'll have to crush the ice for you. But let me see that trim.
Cool.
See what he's doing. We
That
can't
sounds
get
good.
I'll make you an orange slushie. In exchange for giving me a clean towel to take with me when I go to the car wash.
Oh.
Can I get a clean towel, Deep Dough, when I go to the car wash?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna bake some cookies for our neighbors because I had nice Christmas cards and I forgot to give them to them, and after a while it got to be so late that it would be tacky giving Christmas cards so late in the season. So I'm gonna bake some cookies.
Wow.
Yeah, I really did have cards for them that never got passed out. I just kept forgetting.
Nice of you.
Yeah, it's nice of me.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
We have nice neighbors, so I'm just gonna bake for them. Say, hey, I thought about giving you your card like the 23rd, but it's a little late. Let's see what you're doing up there. Just
Really
became.
dry. I keep saying that, but
Is this a new customer?
yeah. Well, I did his mom's car last week, and so he dropped her off to get her car, and then he saw that, and he said he wanted to get his done. So that's how I got him. Yep.
Okay, let's make sure there's nothing identifying in there. Nope, it's clean, so we
Yeah,
can get a
it's
picture.
clean. All that's clean. I
Yeah.
got to hit door jams and the jams and all that stuff, but even clean underneath too.
Did you clean it?
I always clean what you
See
don't
what you
see,
did.
but I even cleaned those. He had them under there already.
Ooh, nice.
He had them under there already.
Ooh, Deep Dough. When you sent me to the car wash, you ain't right.
Oh, jeez. I'm over getting myself in trouble behind cleaning this guy's car here.
Okay, let's turn here. We don't want to get that plate in there. So let's get my house. Let's go here and see what he's doing over here.
Okay.
And that smells good. You know I'm a sucker for scents.
Yeah,
right?
you are.
I love it. That stuff.
See how to make a candle like this for you.
That smells really, really good.
With this scent, make a candle. Would you like that?
You don't have your around your waist today. Why aren't you
That's
wearing
only when I kind of wax and stuff like that. When I
multiple bottles and things like
Yeah.
that? Yeah. Nice.
yeah.
To get my phone out of the sun here. My phone, when it heats up quickly, this particular model. Have to be careful with it. Getting that wheel well, huh?
Yep.
What
It's
nobody
clean
sees.
under there. I wash it with soap and water. But it's not like I just wipe it under. See how clean my rag is? It's not dirty. You know, it's not dirty. Like if I didn't, I wash everything.
Wow.
I stick everything underneath.
I don't do that when I go to the Shell car wash.
Man, you keep bringing that car wash up, babe. You're making me feel like at the end of this I have to do your car.
Actually, I'm leaving, taking off. I'm going to get I'm gonna get a
This car locks
Dairy
by
Queen
itself.
milkshake.
Oh, okay.
And it's
I
right
thought
there
you
by
were
the
gonna
car
make me
wash.
Thought you were gonna make me a
A slushie?
yeah.
I will. We're doing a trade-off. I get a clean rag and you get a slushie.
Huh.
I have to crush the ice though. My ice little tray is only made a little bit.
I think I should hold the camera and turn it around and they see you, babe. What about that?
No. I want to see you.
What about that?
No.
Are you
Gosh,
ready
that
for
smells good even when you open the door.
Can I turn it around and let them see you?
You can.
Yeah?
Here you go. Just don't get anybody's license plate
Want
over
to
there
see my
across the
beautiful
street.
wife? Here. There she is. Yeah. Ain't she fine? Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you all for watching.
Yeah. Woo-hoo. Here you
Okay, back to Deep Dough.
go.
Okay, I feel my phone. I'll take that that little grill on the front and do a little short with that, because at the end of it I realized that I had the plate all up in there, so I'll put a little short on just with that. I have to cut it off. It'll be super short. Yeah. It's gonna be short. Yeah, the whole, when you were talking, the plate was right there. That's why I was like, cut. cut. Happens sometimes.
I'm almost finished with this process.
Wow, you are detailed. My gosh, you don't miss anything. You're so detailed, makes me want to just kiss you.
Yeah.
Everything makes me want to kiss you, though. You just gotta be. See the palm tree blowing up there. We have to be careful of fires here. It's windy today. Wind gusts today are about almost like 8 to 10 miles an hour, which is, you know, a lot for around here.
For around here.
Yeah, it's windy. It's windy today.
This is a fire city right here. You know, this, when it starts winding up, it's always a big thing. Mm-hmm. That where, cause we had a bad fire a couple of years ago. I know you guys probably heard about it. Is that what it's called? The cedar fire.
Which was
that thing was real bad. It was burning up communities.
Oops, I'm stepping in my flowers here. My new flowers that I planted.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna head in.
Done.
Got my phone out here in the sun. I'm gonna let you get started on your waxing.
Yeah.
Deep dough. Thanks so much.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And if you want to see us online, of course, I always list our website. Let me see your shirt there. Pittman and Sons Auto Detailing. So it's Pittman and A&D, Pittman and Sons. You'll see it at the bottom. You can go check out our reviews and things like that if you happen to be in the area.
We're on Google.
We are on
Google. Google goes all around the world.
It does.
Yeah.
They do our advertising for us.
Google's good, but God's better.
Ooh, you guys hear that? Google's good, but God's better. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Deep Dough.
Bye.
Bye.